Hi, this is Rene from Blue and White Technologies. Future-proof your data. Essential tips for data backup and recovery. Data backup and recovery is the process of creating copies of important data and restoring them when needed to ensure business continuity, protect against data loss, and maintain access to information. Data backup. This is the process of making a copy of data to safeguard it against unexpected events such as hardware failures, cyber attacks, or human errors. Data recovery. This is the process of retrieving backed up data after a loss event. The recovery process can vary in complexity depending on the extent of the data loss and the backup system in place. The 3-2-1 rule. This is a best practice for data backups that helps ensure data availability and reduce the risk of data loss. Here is how it works. 3 copies. Keep at least 3 copies of your data. 1 primary version, which is the original, and 2 backups. 2 different storage media. Store your backups on at least 2 different types of storage media. For example, 1 copy on external hard drives and another copy on a cloud storage system, or others. This will reduce the risk of data loss if one medium fails. 1 copy off-site. Store 1 backup copy off-site, physically away from your main location or in a remote cloud service to protect your data in case of local disasters like fire, flood, theft, and others. The immutable backup feature. An immutable backup is a concept that has been around for several decades, and its use has increased significantly in recent years. An immutable backup cannot be modified, deleted, or tampered with once it is created, and provides a robust defense against data loss scenarios. This kind of backup is typically used to protect critical data against accidental deletion, unauthorized access, or malicious activities like ransomware attacks. In an immutable backup system, the data is stored in a warm format, which means write once, read many. Once the backup data is written, there is no possibility of alteration, and this ensures that the data remains unchanged for the duration of its retention period. Many industries require immutability backups as a regulatory compliance to ensure the integrity of data over time. Immutable backups make it much harder for ransomware attacks to compromise backup data, as it is inaccessible for modification. Data backup and recovery best practices. Implementing effective practices for data backup and recovery is essential to ensure data integrity and protect against data loss. Define and document your strategy. A good data backup and recovery policy can minimize downtime, mitigate the risks of data loss, and offer peace of mind that the information remains safe and accessible. Identify critical data essential for your operations. Choose backup types and set a schedule deciding how often data should be backed up. Follow the 3-2-1 rule. Apply immutability and use automation to avoid human errors and ensure consistency. Implement data encryption at rest and in transit to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Permanently monitor, review, and update your backup system, and regularly test the backup integrity. Secure your future. Protect your data today with a reliable backup and recovery solution. Regret is the heaviest burden when a backup is the lightest safeguard. Be prepared to face a data loss incident and quickly respond to it. Data recovery time is critical, especially for businesses and operations that rely on continuous access to data. Stay connected. If you need assistance with any of these topics, contact us. We'll be happy to help. See you in our next post.